Yo, bitch, stop being annoying.
Shut up!
And now
Hey.
I know you're not friends, and I'm gonna expose you.
Who
And then
you?
what is this kid? What is this kid? You.
Oh shit.
Just kill him. What is this? Is this a woman? Do I see girl in that beast in that name? Start playing a wall. No! No!
Dead.
Unfortunate. He freaking threw me off the map. That's why Simu should be banned. Or they should just give a floor to the freaking water. Like, I mean, it sounds like a smart idea, doesn't it? Good. I hope you do die.
I got 2 guns. Where you at? Oh.
Should I switch? Please kill Dayton. Please kill him. Please. Let's go.
No, I missed all my shots.
Wow, you suck.
No.
With a gun.
I'm gonna die.
Please die.
Yes.
Please die. Is he dead?
I'm dead.
Edward.
Okay, the maiden heaven we targeted is low. I know that for sure. Oh, hey, buddy. Oh, I have to
Whoever
reload.
gets hit by this orb beat down dies.
No, dude! Get on the rock just in case.
So be useful, please. Thanks. Oh, this person is black.
That man is dead.
You're about to get slapped. You're about to get slapped. 50% damage cap, by the way. Love to see it, honestly. Love to
Go.
see it.
Oh no,
Yeah, ow, cry about it. I know you're mobbing.
no, stop.
Team! I'm gonna say team and then kill him.
Yeah,
Sounds good?
Why you bullying me?
My time stop is not up right now.
He's low.
Oh, yo! Oh, yo!
Oh no, oh no, oh no,
Oh, yeah,
oh no,
you-
oh no. Oh
Kinda smart on the line. Fighting in the water so you can get hit. Doesn't matter. We funny beat down. Tuki this.
no. I'll just.
Don't go in there, because if you land suck, then you're basically dead. Well, we got like important people out the way, so that's good. I'm pretty sure those are like the only maiden heavens. Don't shoot me, or I'll shoot your family. I'm the one who shot JFK.
Oh! Oh!
Let's get the stuff. Let's get the you can do this. You can do this.
He's probably low. Dude. Oh my.
Nice. Let's switch him. Yeah, that. I can do that.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah,
More like
I don't
supper,
fucking care what you fucking
dinner.
think.
You can have some dinner.
Dinner. That means
Wait,
I'm yummy.
no, go!
Oh,
Oh, no.
There's a bunch of wipers. They're wearing
Oh
Diavolo
my
hair. Not Diavolo hair. Diavolo hair.
They're fighting. No. Come here.
Diavolo hair. Zone.
Oh, I'm here. They
Oh,
didn't
zone,
notice
yes,
yet. They didn't
zone.
notice yet.
Oh my god, he didn't notice.
Oh. You hider? He called you hiders. Oh no! Why would you
Racist?
kill non-pink
He's
hairs?
trying to attack me.
Kill non-pink hairs? Wait, say that.
Non-pink
Kill
hairs.
non. Kill non-pink hairs.
Say I wasn't hiding. Say I wasn't hiding. Cover me. Cover me.
Kill
Cover me.
no-
Say he's lying. Say he's lying. Say the cuss is lying.
How?
Trying to be racist.
Oh!
Dead.
Dude, you probably did damage to the other people because they're all. Wait, kill not.
I don't care. That's good. That's a good thing. Say the Tusk is lying. If he says I'm hiding, say he's lying.
Where's the pink hair? Kill him!
No.
Oh, I feel bad.
He's dead.
They thought he's
Where's the pink
impossible.
hair?
We're the impossible. They're. Oh my god,
Okay,
they're all looking.
Wait. No, don't. It. I'm gonna awaken, and then I'm gonna run and beat on the GR, and then we kill him. Got it?
Okay.
No.
Not anyone in there. Say oops, say oops, say oops, say oops. Say oops, not oops, say wrong person.
Oh, we're gonna kill him anyway.
I know, but just in case they're gonna attack you anyway, so.
Okay. Let's fucking wipe. Let's fucking wipe.
Go!
There's no. Fucking no.
Go, attack! Get the Zahando first! Target him!
Patrol!
Yes, we got him!
Get the six pistols. Get the six pistols.
Help!
Pistols.
No, help, super!
Get the GR. Get the GR.
Okay.
GR.
Good GER. I want him dead.
Okay, I'm going for him.
Trying to kill me.
No, let's help.
We have to kill him. He's low. Tell he's low. He's crying like a little baby.
Yeah, he's dead. And then the 6 pistols, don't let them get on there. Oh wait, there's a crazy diamond.
Get the six pistols in you.
GR's dead.
No.
I
It's
can't
all
use
good,
my
it's all
team
good.
who they disabled it.
Okay, let's go. Fucking run.
Get types off either.
Target! Jay, what are you doing?
He's dead.
Just let one of them go. Doesn't matter.
Let me win. I want the fucking this Requiem, please. Yeah. Wait,
Can't,
what?
you can't.
There's
Kill him,
fucking-
kill him, just kill him.
Just let me win, please. I want the What?
Don't worry, you can get 2nd place. Kill him. Jay, target him. Target the 6 pistols. So you and Super can get win.
Oh my god.
Jay, oh no.
Got it. I don't really need to
Yes,
win. I already
can-
have full stance.
I got left arm.
Nice.
I can get the supply in the world now. Oh my god. I'm so happy.
Wait, did he
Oh
say?
my
I don't
god.
need to win, so I'm fine. Saying lol.
I'm so fucking
We
happy.
Wouldn't have
we
survived
still
the 6
wiped them,
pistols that I have
though.
that gate pass.
Still wiped them.
And we still wiped pretty good. Wait, left.
Easy. Alright. Alright, now. Oh!
Get off the side.
Racism is in the Bible. Racist.
Hey, he's low. He's already low. Target him.
Racist.
Get that tusk. Kill him.
Oh my god, no.
Racism is in the Bible.
I can't get
Oh shit.
The Bible.
Ah!
Bible.
Run! Get on the horses on the opposite way! You idiot! You stupid! This is your fault! Time someone kill one of those.
I'm gonna die because I'm gonna die. No.
He got-
No.
Heck of a meal is gone.
I'm gonna die.
Railing.
Oh no. I'm dead.
I got away.
Breathe. Yes.
I got away.
What? Where is Soviet?
Come down here.
What's down here?
Come down here.
Down there? Okay. I'm not gonna come down here. He's low.
God damn it. Oh no, they came
Shield is-
back.
Heal with his friend.
Ah! Oh no!
Yes, well, you're using purple
You're
haze,
literally
shut up.
half purple haze. Yeah, exactly. Shut up.
Oh, let me just not TS so he can spam his poison and I can die. Yeah, let me just let that happen. real quick.
The target is purple haze.
I'm gonna die. I literally have 1 HP.
I killed
I'm
the
dead.
purple haze. That's all that matters.
There?
Run.
Try to.
Just run. Just leave me down here. I have good enough health for absolute.
Literally had 1
Yeah,
HP.
come near me. Come near me. Yeah, Raj. I'm a friggin' 6 pistols. Just heal. Heal.
If you can, don't just get all in there.
E.T.
Oh, dang. You might die from this.
I think he's going after me. Yeah, he is. Oh, that did barely do damage. It still did damage. I'm at
I'm
a
almost full
wall.
HP. I almost have more pizza.
Help me! Help me! Help me! I'm gonna die!
There's a rock. I'm
I can't do anything. I can't.
Okay, I